Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another pavement design problem. Basically, we're given a pavement with layer specifications and we are asked to solve for the required thickness of the surface layer to achieve a structural number of 3.60 in this case. So we're basically given all the specifications that we need except for the thickness of the surface layer. So the way that we solve this quickly is by using the calculator, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So before we proceed with the calculation, just make sure you take a look at the FE reference manual, page 308. It has the AASHTO structural number equation for pavements. In this case, it says structural number is equal to the layer coefficient times the thickness of the layer times the drainage coefficient if you have it. In this case, we don't. We only have layer coefficients, and we're also given the thickness of the layers. So we're going to use this equation. Like I said, the way we do this with the calculator is we hit second, then we go right here to this number, solve, and we enter our equation. So we know that our result needs to be 3.60, and for this first surface layer, we don't know what the thickness is, so that's going to be our variable x. Then we're just going to add the next layer, which is a coefficient of 0.22 times a thickness of 5 inches plus a coefficient of 0.15 times a thickness of 4 inches. So now that we have all our information in the calculator, we just go ahead and solve. So once you run the calculation, you'll see that the variable x equals 5. That means that the thickness for the surface layer is 5 inches. And if you take a look at our multiple choice, the answer is C. So that was a pretty straightforward problem. Basically, all you really needed to know was what the actual equation for structural number is for AASHTO pavement. And then you just use that equation in conjunction with your calculator to quickly solve the problem. If you want to see more problems like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and also leave any feedback you have in the comments, maybe what you would like to see me cover next, and I'll make sure to take a look at those. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for your time.